A new era in 3D printed flight begins. Linkage is gone, precision improved. Wing, hinge, and ailerons integrated in a single print. Landing gear with built-in suspension. Introducing the Vortex. In this design, achieving the target wing loading required limiting the use of lightweight PLA to the tail section only. The majority of the airframe was built with heavier, stronger filaments, such as PLA+, chosen for their exceptional impact strength. Combined with the high quality of today's 3D printers, this approach enables radical new design concepts. Without the usual stringing issues associated with light PLA, multiple parts could be integrated into a single print. The most striking example is the wing, hinge, and ailerons, all printed together in one piece. The result is a more robust airframe and extremely low assembly time. The use of a CA accelerator is optional but very helpful. These pieces are slightly different, therefore they are labeled to help you place them in the correct position. Aileron right, flap right. The holes are not pre-drilled. You can make them in the desired position using a screw as shown here. Push rods can be used to guide the cables more easily. The holes are elongated to allow some movement. Leave a 1 mm gap here, then secure it with screws. Adjust the sub-trim on your radio to center the ailerons and flaps. This system delivers precise flight control. To maximize its potential, it is recommended to use high-quality servos. Using the MPX connectors is optional. If you choose not to use them, simply route the cables through the holes. As usual, our integrated male to female designs make assembly extremely fast and easy. Apply sufficient adhesive to both ends of the carbon fiber tube. This ensures torsional forces are properly transmitted from the V-tail to the fuselage. Do not apply glue to these push rods, as they must remain free to slide. These parts do not need to be glued. A suspension system engineered for simplicity, durability, and effectiveness. It is important to apply sufficient adhesive to this carbon fiber tube. If 900mm push rods are unavailable, you can connect two shorter rods with these 3D printed parts. Make sure to use 1.2mm diameter push rods. This ensures a tight connection for greater precision in flight. Install a Velcro belt if you plan to perform aerobatic maneuvers. If you want to use a battery that is too light to properly balance the airplane, you can simply attach a small piece of lead with tape. It is extremely important to print this part correctly. Poor layer adhesion or an unbalanced propeller can cause it to break. If you cannot achieve a good quality print, consider using a commercial aluminum prop hub instead. Here we will be using decal vinyls, not as part of the final result, but as a masking tool to protect the areas we don't want to paint. Apply only thin layers. Countless tests and printed parts have led to this milestone. The Vortex is ready for flight. Now, it's in your hands. Print, assemble, launch.